everyone, my name's Laura. I'm an educator here at the Smithsonian Marine Ecosystems Exhibit at St. Lucie County Aquarium. Today we're going to be talking about these animals here. We're going to share with you a little bio bit where we share marine science in less than a couple minutes. So, these animals are peppermint cleaning shrimp. They're opportunistically cleaners, so they're not cleaning all the time, but they'll usually be found on reefs where they can pick off the dead scales and parasites and things growing on the fish. Now, we're going to see if these guys will give me a little manicure today and pick off some of the dead skin around my cuticles. I'm not a fish, but I do need some TLC, so let's go and get started.
Oh, we've got Tinker. Friends.
All right, everybody, thanks for joining us for our bio bit. Make sure you stay tuned next time, and in the meantime, keep on swimming.